Now, in this video, we will be seeing next part of Lycidas. Where were ye nymphs when the remorseless deep closed over the head of your loved Lycidas? Where were you nymphs? Where were you when Lycidas was dead? For neither were ye playing on the steep where your old bards, the famous druids, lie. You were not found in the place where the old priests lie, nor on the shaggy top of Monohai you were not found anywhere, nor yet where Deva spreads her wizard term. I fondly dream, had ye been there, what could you have done? Even though nymphs, even though you were there, what could you have done? What could the muse herself that Orpheus bore, the muse herself for her enchanting son, whom universal nature determined, when by the rout that made the hideous roar, his gory visage down the stream was sent, down the swift Hebrews to the lesbian shore. So here the reference is made to Orpheus. Orpheus, what happened to Orpheus? Orpheus is a poet in Greek mythology and his mother Calliope is a muse. So here Lycidas is saying, what would the nymphs have done? Even you could not save, even one of you, Calliope could not save your own son. So the story of Orpheus and Euripides is that Eurydice is that Orpheus got married to Eurydice, and then at that night she is bitten by a snake, and then she is taken to underworld, and then Orpheus goes after her, and by all the request of the gods and all, he finally managed to get her, but their instruction is that she should walk behind him, and then he should not turn back. Out of his passion he turns back, and then she is sent again to underworld, and then he is so sad, and then he is roaming around, and then he is being killed by the mad woman, the hooligans. Alas, what boots it with incessant care to tend the homely slighted shepherd's trade and strictly medicate the tangless muse? Were it not better done as others used to sport with amaryllis in the shade or with tangles of nearest ear? Here the first digression is seen. The first digression is regarding the fame of the writer, and then he is saying fame and fate of the writers, and then he is saying that what is the use of invoking tangless muse? The muse is tangless because those who are writing sensuous poetry only gets fame. Those who are writing serious poetry like him does not get fame. Fame is the spur that clear spirit doth raise to scorn delights and live laborious days. But the fire dungeon where we hope to find and the thing to burst into a sudden blaze, comes the blind fury with abhorred shears and slits the thin spun of life. So fame is something like for which we spend laborious years, and finally when we reach that position to reach fame, what happens? The fate will come and cut away with abhorred shears. It will cut away the thin spun of life, and then we have to succumb to death. But not the praise, Phoebus replies, and touched by trembling ears, fame is no plant that grows on mortal soil, nor in the glistening foil set off to the world, nor in broad rumor lies, but lives spreads aloft by those pure eyes and perfect weakness of all judging Jove, as he pronounces lastly on each deed of so much fame in heaven expect thy meed. So here Phoebus is the Roman name of Apollo, the Greek god. And then here Phoebus consoles him, saying that fame is something, the result of which you will get in heaven. O fountain Aratus, and thou honored flood, smooth sliding Mincius. So he's invoking, he's asking all the rivers, and he's asking the sea, the god of winds, what were doing. He asking them whether they are responsible for this. That strain I heard was of a higher mode, but now my oar proceeds and listens to the herald of the sea, and then that came in Neptune's place. So here he asked, in this part he asked herald of sea and Neptune, the god of sea, asked whether it is because of them, and then they says that the sea was very calm. And then he also asked Hippotes, the god of winds, and then he says the no such wind came from the dungeon slave. And then they say that it must be because of the bark with which the ship was made. It was because that it is made on an eclipse day that this happened. Now we will see the mourners. Okay, in the next video we will see the mourners. Who are the mourners?